Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're going to make a dip, a different kind of dip, with cheese and salsa.
Cheese. Yeah.
But I don't know what to call it.
Oh,
we'll think about it.
Oh, Heather, I got the perfect name for it.
What?
We call it the feather dip. Do you get it?
I don't get it.
The feather dip, because we say Felix and Heather, and together that is feather.
Oh,
it
that is
the
so
feather
clever.
Dip. Yeah. Felix is good at making up
you're
names.
good.
Yeah.
You're
So
good. I love it.
How do we make the feather dip?
Well, this is what we do.
Okay.
We use a little bit of cream cheese.
Oh, yeah.
And you can use the low-fat kind, whatever you have in your
we've
refrigerator.
used that before. Yeah,
it's easy.
Okay.
And then I'm going to use salsa. I love salsa.
Yeah.
It's one of my favorite things to put on food
Heather,
because I
did you
make
make
it.
this salsa?
I did make it.
Yeah.
Do you like salsa?
Felix never tried salsa because sometimes I hear the salsa is too hot.
Oh, well, this
I don't like hot
isn't.
food. Okay.
Yeah, I make this for my kids. It's just tomato and a little bit of cilantro and lime juice and garlic.
What is cilantro?
It's an herb, and it's green.
I love cilantro.
Do you love green?
Yes, that's why I love cilantro.
Oh,
I don't
I
even
bet.
know what it is, but since it's green, I love it.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
You'll like it. Trust me.
Okay.
So we put a little bit of the salsa that I made in the bowl.
Yeah.
And then we're going to use a little bit of cheese that I shredded.
Okay.
Cheddar cheese.
Yeah. Can you use any kind of cheese?
You could.
Okay.
Well, I wouldn't use blue cheese.
Oh.
That might be yucky.
I don't like blue.
Yeah. Oh, well.
If it was green cheese, maybe.
Good one. And then I'm going to put a little bit of milk.
Okay.
And that's it.
Yeah.
And I'm going to use the microwave. Yeah. It's easy.
Microwave.
So I'm going to walk over here and put it in the microwave.
Okay.
And it's nice because you won't burn yourself.
Yeah. How long do you have to put that in the microwave?
For about a minute.
Okay.
And then you check it.
Oh,
and you stir it.
Yeah.
And you put it back in.
Okay.
For about 30 seconds. And if
Okay.
it's hot, use a towel.
Okay. Yeah. You don't want to burn your hands when you grab it out of the microwave.
Because sometimes the bowl can be a little hot.
Yeah.
I'm going to check it now.
Okay. You check it, Heather. How does it look, Heather?
It looks really good.
Okay. Yeah. There we go. Oh. Okay.
And you gently stir like this.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. That looks good. That looks good and cheesy.
It is.
Yeah.
And it's bubbly.
Yeah.
And it's warm, but not too warm.
Okay, yeah. You don't want to burn your mouth.
No, you don't. And this is really good if you dip in tortilla chips or sliced peppers, if you like red and green peppers.
Yeah. Are those hot peppers?
No, they're sweet and they're good and they're really crispy.
Oh, good. Then I think I would like those.
I bet you would.
Yeah.
And that's really all there is to it. And I like to serve them with some of these. These are my favorite.
Look at those chips. That looks good.
They're great. And that's it. You put a little on.
That's the feather dip.
That's it.
That's the feather dip.
This is the feather dip. That's a great name.
Yeah. Because we are a great team.
We are a great team.
Yeah. We are the best.